Yes, we do small projects. Quick mulch job here in Jacksonville Beach. The lawn's looking really nice. We put this side in last season. We're gonna be mulching everything. Looks really good. God bless you. All right. We're gonna be mulching all of these beds. Had to bring some more mulch. We're in Jacksonville, Florida, so I have to make sure I pronounce all of my words correctly. Pine bark nuggets, mini nuggets that is. It's a great way to just make all your areas look much better. Looking good, looking good. We just cut back all of this debris. And we're just gonna mulch all of this and make it look mucho grande. Muy bien. There's the pile. And just cleaning up this bed and hooking it up. There's a bunch of debris. Take it to the dump. Stay tuned.